Welcome to today's cooking video. We are making the classic Indian sweet Kaju Katli. Soft, melt in the mouth, and perfect for festivals or celebrations. Let's start step by step. Take 250 grams of cashews. Make sure they are at room temperature, not refrigerated. Cold cashews release oil when ground, which affects texture. Add the cashews to a grinder or mixer. Grind in short pulses until you get a fine powder. Do not overgrind. We want powder, not paste. Sieve the powder if needed to remove any coarse bits. Keep the fine cashew powder aside. In a non-stick pan, add 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup water. Heat on medium flame. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Once dissolved, cook without stirring much. We need a 1-string consistency. Take a drop of syrup between thumb and finger. Stretch gently. It should form a thin single thread. This is the perfect stage for Kaju Katli. Lower the flame to low. Add the cashew powder to the syrup slowly. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Mix well until everything blends smoothly. Continue cooking on low flame. The mixture should start thickening and leaving the sides of the pan. This usually takes 7-8 minutes. Do not overcook, otherwise the mixture will harden. Grease a plate or spread butter paper. Pour the hot mixture onto it. Let it cool slightly. It should be warm but not hot to touch. Grease your palms with a little ghee. Gently knead the mixture into a soft, smooth dough. If it feels dry, add 1-2 drops of warm water while kneading. Once smooth, place the dough between 2 butter papers. Roll evenly with a rolling pin to 3-4 mm thickness. Allow the rolled mixture to set for 10 minutes. Using a sharp knife, cut into diamond-shaped pieces. For a festive touch, place edible silver leaf, varak, on top. Gently press so it sticks to the surface. Your beautiful Kaju Katli is ready to serve. Store Kaju Katli in an airtight container. It stays fresh for 7-10 days at room temperature. For longer storage, refrigerate it. Serve during Diwali, weddings, or special occasions with tea or coffee. That's how you make perfect soft Kaju Katli at home. Try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more recipes.